Picture this. You're on a luxury liner, but the real magic is in the unspoken spots and hacks only insiders know. Join us as we count down the hidden gems on cruise ships that crew members won't tell you, unlocking a whole new level of cruising bliss. Hey folks, welcome back to our channel, where we peel back the curtain on all things cruise to make your travels epic and effortless. If you've ever felt like there's more to those floating resorts than meets the eye, you're right. Cruise ships are packed with hidden gems, from secret lounges to off-the-books perks that even the crew hesitates to share widely. Why? Often to keep them exclusive or avoid overcrowding. Today, we're counting down our top 10 hidden gems that appeal to both newbies discovering the ropes and pros hunting for that extra edge. These are based on insider tips from former crew and avid cruisers, so let's dive in from number 10 to number 1. Starting with number 10, the forward observation decks on upper levels. What it is? These are quiet, panoramic spots at the front of the ship, often unmarked on maps, perfect for sunrise views or stargazing without the pool deck chaos. Why crew won't tell you? They're meant for navigation or crew use, and sharing could lead to overcrowding, turning serene escapes into photo ops. I've slipped up there on a Carnival ship and felt like the captain of my own adventure. Pure peace. Pro tip, access via forward elevators. Just act like you belong. Number 9, off-menu food hacks in the main dining room. What it is? Request custom dishes like a surf and turf combo or secret desserts. Think molten lava cake variations that aren't listed but chefs can whip up. Why crew won't tell you? It keeps the kitchen flowing smoothly without everyone demanding specials, preventing backups during peak hours. Experienced cruisers swear by this for elevating meals without extra cost. I've scored a lobster grilled cheese that wasn't on any menu. Ask politely during slower seatings for best results. Number 8, hidden adult-only pools or solariums. What it is? Enclosed glass-domed areas with hot tubs and loungers, often tucked away on higher decks, away from family zones. Why crew won't tell you? These are premium quiet zones, and broadcasting them might attract kids or crowds, ruining the tranquility they're designed for. On Royal Caribbean ships, I've lounged here all day with zero interruptions, ideal for reading or napping. Check deck plans subtly or ask a bartender for directions. Number 7, free room service items beyond the menu. What it is? Order unlisted basics like peanut butter sandwiches, fresh fruit platters, or even continental breakfasts at no charge, especially late night. Why crew won't tell you? It prevents abuse of the system, as widespread knowledge could overload galleys meant for paid services. First-timers love this hack for budget snacking. I've turned midnight munchies into feasts without a dime. Phrase it as simple snacks to your steward for success. Number 6, secret crew elevators for quick access. What it is? Use service elevators, often near stairwells, during non-peak times to zip between decks faster than passenger ones. Why crew won't tell you? They're for staff efficiency, and passenger use could slow operations or raise safety flags. Pros use this to beat elevator lines. I've shaved minutes off getting to shows. Be discreet and step aside of crew boards. Number 5, undocumented loyalty perks for all. What it is? Even without status, flash a friendly smile to score minor upgrades like priority tendering or free laundry tokens from guest services. Why crew won't tell you? It's discretionary, and advertising would create entitlement lines at desks. I've nabbed extra towels and priority seating this way. Great for new cruisers building rapport. Build it by tipping early and being kind. Number 4, hidden art galleries or libraries with free events. What it is? Quiet nooks hosting unadvertised wine tastings or book swaps, often in overlooked ship sections. Why crew won't tell you? These are low-key to maintain exclusivity and avoid turning them into party spots. On Norwegian cruisers, I've discovered pop-up trivia here, perfect for introverted relaxation. Scan daily planners for subtle hints. Number 3, back of ship wake views from lower decks. What it is? Access rarely used aft promenades or outdoor areas for mesmerizing ocean trails and sunsets, minus the wind. Why crew won't tell you? They're maintenance zones at times, and sharing could lead to safety issues with crowds. Experienced sailors cherish this for photos. I've had dolphin sightings all to myself. Enter via side doors on promenade levels. Number 2, crew favorite off-hours gym access. What it is? Hit the fitness center super early, pre-6 a.m., or late for empty equipment and sometimes free classes not scheduled. Why crew won't tell you? It's their unwind time, and opening it up might disrupt routines. I've powered through workouts in silence, ideal for focus. Check schedules loosely and go off-peak. And our number 1 hidden gem, the bridge viewing wings or navigation decks. What it is? Protruding platforms near the bridge for captain's eye views, often open during calm seas for a free thrill. Why crew won't tell you? Safety protocols limit access to prevent distractions, keeping it elite. This tops the list for immersion. I felt like part of the crew watching ports approach. Ask officers politely during tours for entry. There you have it, cruisers, the top 10 hidden gems on cruise ships that crew members won't tell you, from secret views to savvy hacks that elevate any voyage.
Whether you're dodging crowds or scoring freebies, these secrets can turn a standard sail into something legendary. If this sparked your wanderlust, like, subscribe for more cruise insider scoops, and comment your own hidden finds below. We love hearing them. Fair winds, and see you on the high seas.